Yo, 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 what's good, motherfuckers? What's good? Alright, Friday. Let's see. Sometimes Friday might be good, sometimes good, sometimes shit. You know? It's the end of the week, so not surprised if markets are shit, right? If we don't get something soon, then probably not gonna get something later. Because yeah, London close. The benefit of it is sometimes we can have overnight runners that still allow us to get a win, but because markets closed, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. But still, if we can manage to get a good position on Forex, I'll hold over the weekend. But yeah. So we continue to drop on EU. There's still another liquidity below. GU still hasn't hit. No, it has hit his liquidity. So as you can see, my vision was correct on GU. It's just that it took out the same liquidity as it did on EU, but I got stopped out on EU. That's okay. But this was super late. Like I didn't want to even take this trade because it was super late. It was even like later than the kill zone of London close. So I'll just avoid it because my performance has already been kind of shit. So yeah, I just avoided, and right now, if I'll hold it overnight, it would have been a winner. This GU one, as we just took that hourly for our liquidity, as it was a clear smart money trap, and it came to an efficiency right here. Okay, Friday hours days, better to avoid it then, depending on if it's still profitable or not, and depending on what risk you want to take. But besides that, good morning, GMS. Yo, Wick, how was the camping, man? Good to have you back. Hope you boys ready to kill it though. It was great. Nice. What did you do? It was just one night. Oh, you took him with you. Oh, okay. I'm surprised he went after that little run back because of the weather. How is Hope doing with trading as well? Let's see if he helps in this. You'll tell me later. But yeah, man, that should be good. That should be good for your mental, especially for trading and all that. It was a piece or some landslides the earlier day. Slow this down. Okay. It's been good. All right. Yeah, but I think you guys going camping and all that can really be a cheat code for the training, for the trading and the mental health. Maybe it can be good. I mean, probably is very good. Fucking hell. Right now I gotta fly in this bitch. Alright, what's up, boys? What's up? Don't be shy. What am I looking at? Maybe some future shorts. Everything is kind of going towards these lows right here. They all cut up together, but I will not be surprised as futures to just continue to go up and leave these major liquidities behind, these equal lows behind. I feel tired right now, but tomorrow it's gonna feel good. Okay. Yo, future, what's up? How's been your week, future, so far? Yo, Thomas, what's up? I didn't get to see your message. I had to start this bitch and still came late into this. Looking for you started to hit the liquidity above. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You sure do know how to trade, GMS. Yeah, I'm expecting the same. And then if we can get some shorts, it would be nice. But like I was saying, I would not be surprised if this actually respects the lows and just fucking runs from here. But yeah, YM looks decent. Uh, NQ can do it as well. ES, it's a bit more distant to it. I think YM is the best. I think YM is the best right now. As far as Forex, there's not much yet. There's not much. Maybe we can catch some shorts, but even then they would be kind of internal. I think. I would have to see. Bro, my uni shit is hitting me some back shot. Pause. So enjoying the weekend, man. Pause. Nah, but bro, fuck all that, man. You either want to become a trader or you want to be whatever you taking on uni. Don't use that as an excuse, man. Plus, you're in Australia, so I mean the time zone is horrible, but you're not having uni whilst the markets are interesting. You know. So yeah, stop the excuses, bruh. Nah, bro, I want that blue passport, so I gotta work for it. I mean, you get profitable, you can get passport wherever you want. Uh, yeah, I don't really like this. I mean, no, I was thinking this was EU. Sorry. I don't really like this as well. The charts are a bit shit though. We can continue to go down, but or just go up from this level. Yeah. Yeah, maybe sweep this on New York and then look for shorts. But they're more risky. They're more risky. And yeah, well, yeah, we can still try to play out the shorts as the XY swap the major liquidity down below. So maybe we're having a overall shift on the XY direction. We did sweep this though on EU, which is kind of the same liquidity as GU took, but everything caught up together right here. We can go towards these red line. So yeah, let's say we break this, touch on this efficiency, can even come higher as these highs didn't take no liquidity. All this can go, and yeah, continue to go short. So maybe something like this. Maybe. I'm just sending it to my students. I'll get back to the chat. You boys don't worry. You boys can type. I fucking sent out the same. I'm fucking dumb. Let me just do this. Because I sent out the fucking same screenshot. That's an unprofessional fella. Alright, what we got here? It's so much peaceful nowadays. It's public holiday in Nepal right now, so no college for me. Oh, okay. Okay. Nice. How long is the holidays there? Like a week, 2 weeks? You got exams every other week. I mean, I was having that the same, but bruh, you choose, man. You choose what you want to do. Not right now, bro. not till like another month or so. Uh, that's to answer what? Like 2 weeks? Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, so hopefully these 2 weeks, can get you something. Can get you something interesting in the charts. I feel like it can, cause the past 2 weeks haven't been that interesting for my strat. I think. So yeah, let's see how the futures markets open up. Yo, Thomas, you still there? How's the how's the trades going? I'm gonna have a look at that. I'm expecting futures to go up here, especially YM. If we can just sweep up here, gap up, and yeah, take some shorts. Take some shorts, and don't forget to leave your likes, boys. A show. Let me see. You said you're in GJ and silver. Still from yesterday. Like, yeah, this motherfucker. Yeah, you bounced back like crazy. You said you didn't get stopped out here by a pip. I guess it was like these London lows or something. Yes, sir. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. And wow, silver's ripping as well. Sheesh. I'm gonna go chill by the pool probably for 30. God damn. The views never. Exactly, bro. Exactly. When I was there, the views didn't get old as well. The views were sick every single day. Oh, what was the target? 5? Keep sticking. GJ, silver, gold as well. My god, bro. Okay, below 8 pips. That's interesting, man. That's interesting. Cause normally I do 10. But if you refined it to 8 pips and you found it to be better, that's cool as well. Night, this shit's like it's like New York or something. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Boys, KL is one of the most beautiful cities I've ever been to. Really. Might not have much, but in terms of infrastructure, how everything is, man, KL is nice. What's the size? 5 something, eh? But yeah, if you boys got FX Replay, right now there's a very cool tool on where you can do a risk reward simulator. Let me see how this bitch opens up. Where you can have a risk reward simulator. It tells you which RR is better for your own situation. I don't know if we discussed that with you boys previously, but yeah, it tells you with various risk rewards how much your win rate would be, how much would be your profit factor, your performance for the backtesting session, and your average drawdown on it. Very cool, very cool. The only thing is that doesn't understand the break evens, but if you don't trail your break evens, then it's alright. But then you gotta also keep in mind of the stop loss size, of course, because then sometimes it varies, and sometimes you might want to get on the trade because you know the outcome. Well, it's conform to the plan, and you know it can move to a certain direction, which you plan to do, but the stop loss might be bigger than normal, or you just don't take it, something like that. Yeah, 5 was the best for the strat. That's what Wick was mentioning. Yeah. It tends to be. Cause, cause you also realize when you get that 3R win, most of the times when you get that 3 hour win, it also runs to 5. So then there's not a huge like difference between the win rate of the 5 and the 3. There's like certain scenarios where yes, it goes to 3 and then it goes back to 0. And if you were holding till 5, you don't get a win. But that difference then is compensated by the huge returns of the 5 bar for most of the times that I've seen. And of course, keeping the stop loss size as a big factor. It's always 10R when you're trading. Damn, yeah. I mean, I've never put 10R in the simulator because you know how they do like various different ones and it's always like until 5 or so. I don't really need to put it at more because I'm not even gonna go at more, you know. But yeah, I found more success with 5 instead of 3. That's normal. But are you using the stop order still? And are you doing limits? Because for me, trading with stops, it's sometimes very unlikely these days to like have a position below 10 pips. Yeah, price doesn't return mostly from a random point. So unless you target farther than the liquidity level, you can play with the 5. Yeah. I mean, sometimes it does go random, and then it does a second sweep to it, and it goes further than your stop loss. Because sometimes we might sweep it, but then might not be enough liquidity, and we might come back to it the next day, right? But yeah, exactly. Always think about your target as well, boys. Because then if you target, let's say you're in a trade here and you normally take 3RR. If you know this black line, it will get targeted, but like 3RR is like right here, then you're being a bit too greedy. You gotta factor in the fixed reward as well as the structure. Like we go for fixed reward, but we do keep in mind of the structure and not be too greedy on this. Right? I hope some of these gems are helpful. I know Wick knows this, but I'm letting the rest of the people know. But yeah, boys, GJ is ripping. Good for you, man. If it's ripping more than, yeah, broke the high. So, hey, bro. Hopefully goes to the moon, man. I can definitely see this. I don't know what's your target. Shouldn't be a lot, right? You got hella skill-ins on it, no? I mean 200.6, I can definitely see that. And these pairs, they're opening a bit down, which is good. Why? Because it can deliver some trap here. Okay, people seeing it gapping down, seeing this high, and price will most likely go up. I can't really trade this unless maybe if price would have swept this, maybe then I would trade it. Yes, looks like the same story. Where's the high in here? Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. YM tends to be the fastest. So let's see. Don't fucking be bipolar, man. Yeah, YM can look the best, really. Having a sweep of all this, going down, perhaps doing this as a trap. Right now, it does need to go up there, because otherwise I'm not that chat you just marked. What, today I ain't sleeping. God damn. 4 7-Eleven coffees, man. 3 at home. I would say though, I never seen those Family Mart coffees though. I was having them, but I don't know. Maybe you took them as at the counter. Maybe I was taking them at the machine sometimes. But yeah, coffee in KL. It's a bit more expensive than Thailand, maybe, but it's a bit more shitty, you know. But there's like a bunch of coffee shops, and then like the crazy thing that I found is like Starbucks is the same price as all of them, so I just go to Starbucks as well, and it's the best. Yeah, those are cheap as fuck, but they're not that good. I mean, some that are like the normal ones, and even the cappuccino. But they hot as fuck, man. I don't know what they got. Like they serve you like boiling water over there in the coffees, like real fucking boiling. But nah, go to fucking Starbucks. You order like a espresso coffee, but they put like 4 shots in it. It's like 4 espresso. It's like a whole big ass. Bi- Tastes great. You did iced, yeah. I don't know about iced. I was just having normal ones. Iced I was having at coffee shops, you know. But yeah, go to Starbucks, have a big ass cup with like 4 or 5 espressos in it. Costs like 2 or 3 euros. Okay, looks like we're gonna get it. Uh, yeah, boys, are you guys seeing something? Are you seeing shorts as well? Here we can obviously go higher in these two, in the ES and the NQ. These don't look that appealing. Looks like it's gonna be a boring day for Forex, but let's see this YM. Let's see if we can get some gambling in here. Because even if it doesn't want to go for the shorts, even if it doesn't want to go for this liquidity, uh, we can definitely get some kind of profits on this line right here, on this one at least. Let's see. What about the rest of you guys? Anyone trading something? Anyone in any positions? What's y'all PNL for the week? I can see a little more internal trades on GU for shorts. Perhaps. Yeah. You're right. But it's the zone at the left. That's why I'm disregarding everything. I noticed that when I checked this, like obviously New York sweeping London, but at the same time, like, and it's decent because it swept Asia. Well, we swept London. At the same time, we did like a larger scale trap in here. So then boom, and obviously this will become a trap, and it's almost like equal lows. And the bias is bearish, but uh, no structure to position yourself in the left. Perhaps like a double breaker structure here, but zone at the left, man. The zone at the left. It's not that appealing. Maybe still break this high here to come to the imbalance, as I wouldn't trust this high neither. Because internally, yes, but when you look at the zone, it's like shit. Might work, but let's see. Okay. Swept that high, like I was mentioning. Right now, it's all a matter of seeing the change of character here. It's really a M1 structure. Like, I don't want to be going this aggressive into it, but yeah. Let's see. Yeah, that's if the change of character occurs, right? I'm gonna switch to another account. Boom. So we don't damage the fundeds and all that. Yeah, boys. If you want some funded accounts, if you're needing one, Apex still running 80% off. Go get you some cheap accounts. Oop. I do need to see some other candle also. And then the XY. Yeah, the XY can still continue to go up, which would be good. Which would be good for G, of course. Before that, they can come here to this efficiency, and that would be confluent to what I'm seeing on EU, which would be this efficiency, and it would be good as well. Because the last time, no. I was about to say something, but no. Yeah, this is just to test. I'm not taking this. This is just to see. YM, okay. Okay, if we broke above, that would be even nicer for the structure purposes. But yeah, this pair, it's risky. And it has already given me 1 or 2 losses. I mean, probably 2. Maybe even 3. Maybe, yeah. Nah, 1 or 2, but yeah. You scalp the buy? Okay. But right now looking to short, right? Let's see if it works in our favor. Looks like some good structure right here. Up. What about these? Nah. Okay. Yes, it's moving, but NQ. It's a bit dead. Okay, it's pushing a bit too much though. Maybe after inducement is taken. I mean, it was already taken unless you mean these ones up here, or this one as well has already been taken. This one right here. At this structure, if you can see the mouse, yeah. Into M15 candles, that looks good. Okay, okay. Get the fuck out of here. Let's see, man. Is someone else watching these shorts on YM? We have a double top. Yeah, I know. That's the risk. But it's also YM. It sometimes doesn't just care. So yeah, I would consider that as an inducement as well. And a double top above. But yeah, there is some probability for shorts here. Although they're risky. I know they are. But that double top is above. But look at what we did here. Left a double top as well. Here, left a double top, a double bottom, you know? It's kind of like YM behavior. So let's see. The momentum still looks strong, so I'm just seeing this. It depends on how it behaves. Because the closer it gets to that double top as well, I would just ignore it. Then it becomes too risky. This pair is already too risky for my liking. And then it's going up. GU still nothing. And EU in the middle of nowhere. Still. Anyone seeing any Forex stuff? You still there, Wick? You watching AU, by the way? It went a bit too deep into the zone. Oil continues to go up. Okay. Yeah, still here? Okay. Silver pushing. Well, GJ. Wow, still pushing, man. Good fucking shit. Alright, YM. Yeah. Okay. So stop. If it happens. Risky, boys, risky. I'm taking a lot of risky trades. But also, I don't fucking care. Might have to go to micro though. Yeah, I don't want to be placing a whole, risking a bit more. So let me go to micro. Yeah, Wick, I was asking you if you were still watching Australian dollar. Body contracts. Depends if we get tagged in or not. I'm back. Went on the roof. Alright, alright. Watching the views. Why you watching the blues? Know what I'm saying? Bro, even though I was in Dubai, you cannot beat these views. Yeah. Let's see Asia High getting swept on AU at London close maybe. Oh, so you're still looking for the bearish momentum? Okay. Yeah, because I was telling how the price went too deep into that zone. So maybe it's just like call off the buys maybe. But I'll have to see like the high time frame structure, the structure to the left. Oh, but yeah, at the same time we did swap some major highs a couple days ago, right? So yeah, we might be bearish for a while. And as we did just swap some DXY lows, major lows as well, we might be bullish for a while. So yeah, any pairs that have USD against them, they're most likely gonna be bearish. Flying almost 4 bands. God damn. What's running more? Is it GJ that makes a large portion of that, or is it silver? Cause you're running on both. Even I see silver just jumped 0.2%. Oh, and it just dropped again. Nah, it's between 0.79 and 0.81. Yeah, man. Let's see this YM. GJ is the most. Okay. Yeah, it's looking crazy, man. Hey, how far are you from the target though? Yeah, boys, what the fuck? Why are we being slow right now? Man, it's playing out. It's playing a bit. I'll come back to it later. Hopefully, I don't miss it. Geo not moving. It's not moving. As yet, still no. He hasn't still swept these highs. Can be also possible short. NQ is quite slow today, and silver going back up. And let's see that GJ. Sheesh. Wait, how much is that? Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Shout out to Thomas in the chat, man. But what about the rest of y'all? Hey, if you're watching this shit and haven't commented still, like, type in the chat, man. Don't be shy. Let me know what you're watching, or if there's anything you want to ask. Yeah, if this keeps going up, I'll just forget about it. And yeah, Australian dollar, you're talking, yeah, these equal highs on Asia. But then this whole left zone, you know, if this is taken, then maybe, but also it would be better if this is taken. Then coming to this efficiency right here, this structure. Thing is that it is too much. It is too much. So yeah, there could be some internal ones right here or some. Like, don't mind this, all of this bullshit, but yeah, your London close prediction might work. There might be something. And then to the left, the only thing is that to the left, we're testing out this order block right here. So it might give out a huge reaction from this, even if we're still bearish. So maybe come to this efficiency, like I was saying, or even take this thing out. Can also go. This high is not fully testing out this order block, but it did take liquidity, so it might get respected, but it might also get taken. But as of right now, this can work, and then we can continue to the downside. If we take any of these, we can also take this, and might as well take this as well. Yeah, I would try to look for short, maybe until this area. Same way with EU and GU, perhaps. Yeah. But yeah, it's a bit far to be done today. So let's see. All depends on that London close reaction. It's doing it right now, but this high hasn't swept it. This high before it hasn't swept these Asia highs. So I would not consider this like a double sweep and the trap and all that. I'll just watch it now. And so, like, by your backtesting, are you seeing that you're most profitable in Australian dollar than like EU or GU? Hi. Yes, it's close. It's close, but yeah, not the best. Not the best. Besides that, there's not much. Crypto has been taking a huge dump. Yeah, crypto can continue the downside here, but ETH needs to fucking keep up. Let me see the daily. Right now we touched this efficiency. Let's see. Right now it's the moment to run, or we sweep this and we go higher, like this. Okay, will it go down now? It's testing out this, right? It's testing out this. This one 2 days ago. YM tends to do this. Runs in one direction, then do the opposite here. This is a bit too internal, so I'll still wait for this low, which is a bit safer. I could also do the limit here, but nah. Let's try to do the stop and maybe refine the find the stop loss. Have to go to mini one. Boom. Perhaps have to take the whole thing or what? Nah, like this. And then 3R until Asia at least. It's a bit deep. It's a bit deep. My God, it's going down. Oh no, I don't need that much as well. I forgot. I don't need that much. So let's say 2.5 for this account because of the consistency rule. And 37. This is 6. Boom, boom, decent. Yeah. If it gets tagged in, then I'm in. What time is it? Still 4 p.m. And then let's see if it's not slow, but who cares? I'm trading multiple accounts, so we're taking these risky trades sometimes as well. If we did break this and then come here, that would be a good limit. Awesome. What your boy seeing? Oh shit. What's your boy's opinion on this trade? There is the inducement. There is the double top above. There's also a huge equal low below. Like always, there's reasoning for this to fail, but there's also reasoning for this to work. The potential is not only the 2.5, it's not only Asia, but is all of it. But I don't want to be targeting the moon as this is Friday as well. This is why I'm. So let's see if we get the fast as it goes up fast. Let's see if we can get the going down fast as well. So yeah, we're in and in a losing streak while trading every single day. Not that good, but clearly I don't give a fuck. And just challenges for most part. I mean, I did take some losses on funded accounts, but nah, most of the losses are always in challenges either way, because they come from these risky trades as well. But back in the day, I was even unconfident about safe trades, about safe setups. So, hey, going from that to this, it's starting to look really good. Let's see, man. Let's see. It's pushing well. But can't say much yet, you know? Let's see if we get the sweep of this. As I mentioned, like this didn't take no liquidity. It's nothing, you know, can easily get taken. And then once it does, price can decide if it wants to go up or sideways. That's why I am so. Yeah, would be good, and would be my first victory in this crazy pair. What about ES? Did it sweep the? No, it didn't though. It didn't. It's making equal highs with it. ES is making equal highs with the previously high. Okay, this will clearly get taken. So it might be a stop loss on our YM. It might be. Or it might just build liquidity here, work, and then have huge amount of liquidity here, and then take. It's also a probability. But but that's not why I would short here, because it is still super risky, right? And so there is a possibility price does this and then actually goes down, which would mean our YM would get stopped out, and then it would come for his equal highs. Hey, let's see. Are you in GMS as well? Um, Let me add this motherfucker. Boom. I can't even add. Okay. Looking decent. Looking decent. What you boys think of it? I think that we can hit those lows easy. I'm gonna take a little pic. Take a little pic. It is for the stories though. Might be good promotion for the story, you know. Just to call people in this bitch. Everyone kind of sleeping today. I mean, it's not a good trading day, I would say. Looking decent, boys. Let me know if you boys in. What you think about this trade? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I can't be playing music on live. Fuck. Hey, shut that shit up. Hopefully the stream doesn't go down, man. Oh, you done for the day? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, yeah, yeah. You got the little scalp. It's not a crazy day. It's YM, so the behavior can be a bit different. It might respect this order block by miracle, I don't know. But I really think that we can get a sweep of it, like I was talking since the beginning of market open. But then it could run to my TP, run to my stop loss. Can do a lot. So this would be the point in Forex where I would be break even. And here also the same thing. GU has swept it. So yeah, also a good thing that there wasn't nothing here. Maybe you refined it to M1. I don't know if you're still there, Wick. Let me know if you took this GU or not. Right now it's still a bit soon for London close. So maybe it delivers a trap here. Maybe it just continues to run. it's not an awesome one. It's not a safe one. But hey, EU still has these highs, yeah. But internally, it has done a double sweep following the sweep of London. Fuck off. YM looking like this. Boom. And we're in this YM if you're new here. If you're new in the stream, just come in today. Okay. What about the others? Okay, silver still pushing. Fuck you. Look, you even have micro on the fucking 6B. See how crazy that is? You can just buy Apex accounts for super cheap, like 80% off using my code. And then you can trade the Forex stuff. And like for a price of 50k on the CFD sides, you get like 4 accounts on Apex or 5. I mean, it's more like 10, 8 or 7, let's say, depending on the discount that you use. If you use mine, you'll always get the best code. Sometimes it can be 90%. Oh yeah, so oh my god. So yeah. This shit's gonna hit. You still there, Thomas? You're running how many bands in this right now? Okay. I'm also running a little bit. Right? It's not bands. It's not bands, but it's a cool little 300, which is almost 1 hour. Almost 1 hour. We're risking 400 in this. Was it 400? Yeah. 400 to make 900. We got wait. Did I actually took 3R or was it? Oh yeah. My stop loss is bugging. So yeah, it's 2.5. 2.5 right here. 400 to make 900. And we got a little consistency rule in this account. But this would have make me a little bit over profit. Yeah, a little bit over profit, like 100 in profit. But if it wasn't for the consistency rule, I would try to pass this account in one single go. Something that I'm testing. It's a new firm as well. Bro, fuck. Got it. You got it. Let's fucking go. Hey, W's in the chat for Thomas, man. 4.7 bands. Man, I thought you were like on 5, 6 right now. Sheesh. Hey. Hey, the boy fucking got it, man. Hey, go put W's in the chat and go watch his channel, man. He's fully documenting like a whole from zero to funded. Again, you know? Full transparent. What a fucking rock. That's true. The silver is going nicely up, and GJ just absolute monster until that high that I mentioned. All right, not yet, but yeah, fucking flew. Let's fucking go. And it's not even like it's New York session. It's not even like an American pair, but yeah. And did it again. Exactly. In 2 weeks. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. W. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Crazy. Let's go. Now next week, or let's say in a few, little rent money payout. I'm more little 3 month rent payout. Let's fucking go, man. Let's fucking go. This city like, you know what I mean? Yeah, bro. Like one thing that I've noticed whenever I was traveling, you get this new shut the fuck up. New environment syndrome. Like new environment, new city syndrome, man. I was noticing that like every time I moved, like I got a win on the first day, or like the first trade was always a winner for most places. Like when I moved to Bangkok, boom, it was like 4 hours into Bangkok, first winner. When I moved to Malaysia, I think it was also as well. Boom, first trade, first winner. In Portugal, I don't remember. Maybe not, but it was like one account that I got funded with, like one trade phase one trade phase two. So that was a crazy achievement. And it's always in new environments. That's why, man, you gotta keep moving. You gotta keep moving around. This was intense. I mean, maybe not as intense as my reel, the Bombo Cloud trade. Hey man, if you don't follow me on IG, boys, go to my IG and go to the pin reel. That's Bombo Cloud. I got 4 wins in a row on silver. Yeah, but the thing is with silver, it can also give you 4 losses in a row, right? It's a motherfucker. Like when it's good, it's awesome. When it's bad, it's horrible. Or you gotta do some seasonal shit with silver. Like you only gotta go with when the higher time frame is looking clean for you or something on silver, and then go. If it's that much of a dangerous pair. Because I'm not mistaken, right? Like silver gives you the best like winning streaks, but it also gives you the worst losing streaks. Okay, we're looking good, boys. Looking decent in this. Predicted this low to be swept. Okay, not yet, but yeah. Let's see if it does now. And as far as the others, how we looking? We're looking basically the same. But if we're looking the same, like YM should look the triple of this, the double of this, you know? And yo, I know I've been shit the last times and all that, but right now we got 3 people watching and we're currently on winning trade. But who's in here, boys? Who's in here? Are you guys coming from IG or what? You saw that winning trade and wanted to get a taste? Come private. Motherfucker, I'm streaming, man. Yeah, last week we was also losing throughout the most, and then Friday we made it all back. So let's see if we can also make it all back today. I mean, not all, but yeah, get a nice little win and get this account back to profit. But can't say nothing yet. Can't say nothing yet. Until that money is in the bank, until that trade is finished, until that TP is fucking hit, and the trade is no longer floating, you cannot celebrate. But yeah, what are you guys seeing as well? Geo just swept this. EU same tank. Yeah. Yeah, I could have been running way more. I could have already have my TP hit here. The only reason why I took the entry here and not here is because it's YM. Kind of crazy. But on Forex and on ES and NQ, which is what I normally trade, I'll be like this. I'll be like this, and okay, I would not be TP yet. I would be running 2R, but the 3R would be right here. But even these 2.5 that I got there, they're achievable. This Asia right here, this London right here, and this is already New York. But yeah, right now that we swept this, anything can happen, boys. Anything can happen. If we reverse, it's from this level right here. So let's see. Let's see. You boys are in anything? How are you guys finishing up the week? If I can make a comeback from this, that is God's plan for real. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Oof, my God. Yeah, bro. Hopefully so. Hopefully so, man. We gotta start talking on the weekend. Start look at some apartments. Cause if you're still around KL, like, yeah, I'll stay there a month or so. But like, I'm thinking, I'm not wanting to just like. I already did a bunch of locking in here, so I guess I'll go on some travel mode in a bit. Like, even in Malaysia, go like to the north, to Penang maybe, do a little, I don't know, can be like 2-3 day vacation or some 1 week. I'm not fucking living. Now it depends, bro. But fucking come to Vietnam, bro. Come to Vietnam. I think Da Nang is only good at February, which is the place where I would like to go, which is the Miami Asian type of shit. But I was looking at Ho Chi Minh City. Fucking looks good as well. City vibes as well. Very similar to KL, but hey, the nightlife go crazy. Yeah, Vietnam is dope to travel, especially Da Nang, bro. Everyone, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of nomads moving to Da Nang now. The Miami one I told you about, it's getting popular. Uh, but yeah, Le Mans Ficaniel. Hanoi, really? Hanoi is the one up north though, and I think at this period is kind of shit. You need to wait for a little bit, cause it's also Da Nang. It's a bit around the north. But I heard that Ho Chi Minh City it's the biggest city I think, and it's better than Hanoi, from what I've heard. But yo, there's parts of Vietnam, bro, where it's like the fuckery of Thailand. It's like the fuckery of Thailand, bro. You're gonna have fun. Man. I for sure do want some, man. Who doesn't, bruh? Who doesn't? Nah, that Vietnam is gonna go crazy, bro. You connected with Sean already? Did you guys spoke on the DMs or something? I don't want to spend that much time in KL either. Yeah, like a month. Yeah, yeah. I'd say because then like, look, bro, the flight can be like $20, and just 1 hour, and so and the expenses are the same. Yeah, yeah. So like that was the big question I was asking myself because like spend October in KL and then November it's like you can only choose like Phuket though because no point in going for places like Samui, right? And Bangkok it's kind of like still starting, but yeah. Um, oh, you spoke. Tomorrow you link up. Okay, awesome, awesome. So yeah, man, if you're still around, then it can be like Phuket or Chiang Mai up north, or like Ho Chi Minh City, man, Vietnam. I think Vietnam is a move. You want to any new in the chart? I mean, you seeing the screen, man. You seeing the screen. I mean this, but I see Gio took the liquidity, but otherwise there's nothing, bro. Unless you wanted to take some, but nah, Gio might give you an entry, but it's risky at the same time. I was supposed to see that Chinese girl, and I invited her to my place, and she does not respond, so I have time, thankfully, because I cannot stop. So I'm glad she does not respond. Yeah, man, yeah. Sometimes when they just ghost, it's just better. And February back to Bali. Yeah, I can do so. Yeah, yeah, Bali. It's like middle of the year, kind of like right, or April. It's still good. April to October or something like that. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. But yeah, travel for a bit, Go to little Vietnam, maybe even Cambodia. Like fuck it. It doesn't say nothing to me, but fuck it. Oh, Bali's unmatched in terms of people. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. It is. Yep. Yep. It can definitely go to shit. Visit the Nepal boys as well. Maybe, bro. Maybe. I don't know. Depends on their situation now. If it's all come down over there. I don't know if you heard. You over there in Bali, fucking on hoes and all that stuff. But like Nepal, some crazy shit went on over there for like 6 months. Weather condition or the other stuff, political conditions. Yeah, Yeah, let the old lady stabilize it. Let the Discord handle it. Bro, that shit was crazy, bro. I was just seeing a bunch of memes on the IG, and that foreign guy that went there, that he arrived the same day or like a day before of the revolution. Oh, really? Really, future, or is that like bias shit? Cause man, if you put somebody up there democratically and it becomes another corrupt man, that shit crazy. Bro, you're not tapped in for real, bro. Not sure you want that, bro. Not sure you want that. What's her political ideology though? Is she left? Is she right? She center? Call it a day. Enjoy your weekend, gentlemen. See you Monday. Hey, bro. Thank you for hopping in the live. And man, you already called the scalp, so you did amazing, man. And it's been a green week for you as well, right? So yeah, man. Enjoy your weekend. Take care. See you Monday. Thank you for watching, man. Little Nepali Betty. Yeah, feed me. Hey, got money, you got honey, right? Yeah. Obviously, I don't know about that left right shit. I mean, yeah. But overall, it's calm now, right? What does left and right mean in politics? I mean, just to put it in simple terms, left could be like, well, far left could be like communism. Far right could be not far right, but like right could be capitalism. Oh, okay, that's good. It's good that it's calmer now. But like airports and everything, that's all like functional, like foreigners coming in, all of that. I mean, the ones that try, the ones that try and want to. But yeah, to the boys that's watching, make sure you drop your likes. We caught this YM short still going on. Let's see how it plays out live on stream. And yeah, feel free to ask questions or feel free to let me know something else that you're trading, that you're looking at. It's going nicely, so if it continues to go down, if it wants us to give a TP, if it goes my TP, it probably go today. That's what I mean. Because I gotta watch out for the market close. And it is Friday. Yeah, man. And Thomas, you're still there? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we might have another person joining us in KL. Big Fardu. Nah, I'm just playing, but that depends on him. Nah, but for him to come, we would have to stay there and give him time. I think, but it would be funny. Is it a futures trader? Oh, Ferdous? Nah, Ferdous it's is only on Forex. Sally? Ay, ay, ay. Oh, Ferdous! Yeah, he told me on how he got some family there. Nah, nah, nah. I'm just kidding. He might. It depends on his trading. It depends on his life situation, right? I just call it as a joke, but yeah, he might join. Yeah, G. But but yeah, and then you boys like if you see us in some city and you in there or you going there, just feel free to message us. You know, unless you're a loser, then we won't link up with you. And being a loser doesn't necessarily mean be an unprofitable trader, for example. But if you're a guy that's quitting trading here and there, that you say you want, and then I don't see you for months, and then you come back, you say that you quit trading, you're a bitch. Like, nah, nah, we don't deal with losers, man. What's up? I saw your notification come in. You took longs? Hopefully on the open and not now, man. Don't fucking go against me, bro. Let me win on this fucking pair for once. Damn, this Geos still keeps running? Ah, no. Still there. Are you looking to take the Geo then, Wick? Kinda almost unclose if it breaks this. I bet you have a student that will take this. I think. Um, yeah, ES looks good to go down. These are decent. Yes, on ES, shockingly. I'm on John. Enter that open. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I thought you would. These at open was predictable, but not really my setup. I'll take AU and London close. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, if it opens up another candle just to go a bit more up, and then you can use this one maybe, and then yeah, you have a huge amount of space to just go for that 5R. Is it a AU becoming your most profitable pair week? And let's see if this bitch has some volatility to end up the day. Nah, it's still AU. AU, I get far less setups. Yeah, I can see that. But you get far less setups because you take. No, no, no. I was about to say if you take more risky ones, more internal ones, but you're doing it so today, in a sense. So yeah, you might get less setups. But so what? You still trading GU though, or it's just EU and AU in the watch list? I like longs on ES if we stay above 76. Yeah, the thing is, what I don't like for my Dow Jones trade. Hopefully, it stays uncorrelated, but all of these are like looking the same. All three is that on ES we will have to equal high, which for me is not a good sign. Which means we'll go for it later, definitely. But if we're lucky, it comes to the lows before. I mean, if we're lucky, if I'm lucky, because I'm short. Okay, all three. You're done. Yeah, that's my thing. Cause these ones look like this. The chart looks very similar to my Dow Jones, which is good. But like Dow Jones should be like the twice or third the size of these. So I should be running more profits, in a sense. What I mean. But yeah, looking Gucci. But yeah, let me know if you enter on something else. If you see something else. But yeah, the day is ending. Hopefully, he still has some strength to run. Hey, give me a second, boys. If you think Dow is going down, hopefully so, man. Hopefully so. But let's see if it has the strength to do it, though. It is Friday. It is not close. Oh, damn. We saw. Who else is in here still? It's always when I'm calling the winning trades, no people here. By the way, we gotta rent an apartment with a kitchen. I mean, the last one I was in had a kitchen. Healthy food. I think you're right. Maybe there's a bunch of choices. You know, if you're still close to a mall, then you can find. But yeah, there's a lot of unhealthy stuff over there. Yeah, like I don't really care. It's my old spot. I just want that Chinese buffet, man. Wait for confirmation for this one. Should be good. But what, to possibly short, right? We didn't maintain your 76 level, so yeah. Today I went shopping, buying meals for like 8-9 euros. Yeah. I mean, no, I don't have ES targets, man. I don't have ES targets. I was just making the correlation between all of them, even though they are like uncorrelated, but the charts are looking very similar today. But on ES, I think these lows can be reached, but maybe not today. But the 11, 611. But just for now, like Asia lows, just the 53s, 53s, highly likely that it's going there. Big and healthy, no, yeah. I mean, all the apartments I was on had a kitchen, but I didn't really care. Like, I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna rent. I mean, I still need to see, but yeah. If it's gonna be the same one, but it's gonna be similar to that. Aye. It's nice. I think it's rainy season there currently. But even like rainy season KL, it's like whatever, you know, like cloudy but hot as fuck and no rain. Oh, that's crazy. But yeah, last time I think I was in the like off season, like I was like on the rainy season as well over there, and it was like nice. Sometimes it was cloudy, sometimes it rained, but like it was nothing crazy, you know. Way better than being in an island and having the rainy season, for example. Beauty trade on draw on the. You talking about mine? It's looking nice. It's looking nice. Ah, thank you then. Thank you. But yeah, I don't fully trust this bitch. And even then, until that TP is hit, till the train is done. Can't say much. Can't say much. But yeah, it's looking probable. Very probable. Bro, it's so hot in here. Yeah. Bad really. In Czech is 10 degrees right now, bro. I mean, Portugal has cooled down a little bit, but still, in the middle of the day and all that, like you can still feel the sun like burning, like some 25 maybe in here, and you still like walk around with t-shirt and everything. It's not raining, clear blue skies. It's crazy how much the summer lasts in Portugal. Have you already went to the center, Thomas? Like to that park next to the twin towers and all that? Okay, okay. Yeah, I know, man. I know. I was the same. I only started seeing like KL. Well, first I was like in a dope condo as well, but I was like far from the city a bit. So I was like 2 weeks without really visiting it. Then whenever I went to the other one, when I was in the center of the city, I only started visiting like 1 or 2 weeks afterwards or something. Well, maybe one. You know, no need to rush things, of course. Uh, but yeah, besides that, like there's not much, bro. There's not much to see and all that. I mean, I know it's not your point, your main objective, but yeah, you can go to see the fucking Indian temple. I went in the and did a video on where you got like the monkeys like right next to you, and there's also a Chinese temple which looks good. But yeah, it's only like those three main activities of the city, kind of. To be honest, overall, I think here is more expensive than Bali. Uh, Crazy that. I don't know, man. I guess Bali can go both directions. Yeah, yeah, you got everything in a condo. That convenient life, and your condo probably has like a lot of stuff around it, right? Like either a mall next to it or like some a lot of shops below it, like 7-Eleven, Family Mart. Yeah, yeah, it can be both. But the convenience in Kuala Lumpur, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. You got everything. Yeah, 4 minute walk. Even on my condo, there was like just below it, there was like some 4 or 5 convenience stores, and then like a bunch of restaurants, coffee shops, and a part of the condominium. You know, just below it. Kind of waiting to see the center. Looks dope from the far. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Like during the day, if you got a beautiful day, looks beautiful. During the night, crazy as well. I mean, you can already tell by the views. But yeah, the Twin Towers from up close at night. Take a minute. So, hi, bro. See ya, Jeet. See ya. I'll talk to you on the DMs. We gonna see tomorrow something for the apartment and all that. Yeah, alright. Take care, man. Take care. Good job today. Good job. Good win. And yeah, man. Let's hope this doesn't take hours. It's all for the stream. I don't want to be here all day. Are you still here, Luke? Are you on something? On ES maybe? I mean, this is going down for sure. It's just super slow and playing around. AUD has done it. So, are you still here, Wick? You on this? Where would I be? Wait. Oh, this could have been a direct stop loss though. Have you taken here anything? So here I have the stream open in the okay. Nice. I'm asking if you got in this. But it looks like it could have been like a quick stop loss just for the wicks. I don't know. But I don't know. For the 5R, do you position yourself on stop or limit? Because with stops, it's kind of hard. I'm watching your message, Luke. Jeez, nice scalps. Yeah, YM42. Where is that? Yeah, I can see that. Is that like the inverted value gap? Yeah, hopefully it does go, man. It is playing around a bit. Then grab YM zones. Yeah, YM is like, doesn't wait for no one. Just kind of goes. Yeah, you're in. Now the stop loss was too small. I use stops. Okay. So in terms of pips here, what do you go for? Like below 8, or were you talking about EU previously? What's like your range of stops in pips in AU? Of course, it's different. I get 5R. I get more 5R because small block size. Yeah, EU and GU. A lot of my trades are structured in between 3-5 on AU, right? On EU, I could see that. On EU, difficult. Yeah, what I would be looking to trade here in internal risky, it's this, but still valid, like these wicks and blocks. But the conservative one, of course, it's down here. Oh, 3 and 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, so which would mean like the normal stop losses. Ah, 3-5 on structure. Okay. I thought you meant okay. Okay. And AU, what is like your range of pips stop loss here? Minimum 5 to 10. Okay, yeah, looks decent. And on EU, and you is like me, right? Using the stops is like 10 to 15, let's say. And if we're lucky, it gives us 5 to 10. Still using a stop order. So here you're probably in drawdown, but looking better now, right? Are you like this? Kinda. You get tagged in on a week or something. Or your injury is similar to you. Yeah, hopefully, man. Think you're trading the same way. This is playing. Hopefully it just melts. You know, what time is it as well? Okay. These are running. Okay. The only thing is the XY can drop a little bit further and come to the efficiency. But yeah, man, good luck on that AU though. You don't do break evens, right? You only trail your stop loss aggressive once it gets close to the 5R. I like entering on M5 candles with wicks. Yeah, same with me. Cause it gives you that like it gives you more risk reward to target, of course. The stop loss is smaller, but it also gives you the floating profit advantage. Cause I could have entered here, right? On the conservative one, but because I enter here, let's say, I could take advantage of these floating profits to put myself break even. Because then once this gets done, then price can reverse. So yeah, that's also the beauty of it. But also the more risky side of it. Joe, we got only three people in the chat today. Funny how that works. Funny how when I'm running profit, no one's here. When it's boring, everyone's here. Oy, oy, oy. Maybe it's a title, man. I'm on a losing streak. Man, don't nobody wants to see a losing streak, man. But then they don't understand, man. They don't understand. They think a losing streak is like forever, you know. But nah, being in a losing streak just means a win is around the corner. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that AU is looking nice, no? Oh, a little bit. I was just seeing by the percentage. Yeah, most people look at that super high win rate. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, no, most people have no fucking clue. I mean, if you're looking at for the psychology and all that, then that's good. But some people think that one time I showed my there was a video on YouTube where I showed my performances for futures or some stuff, and I was showing the data of FX replay, and it said like, yeah, of course you're profitable and all that, good, nice equity curve, and the win rate was like 40%. And someone said you have to have a crazy risk reward or gambling to be profitable with that win rate. And I'm like, bro, you don't know shit. But yeah, I do feel like win rate, just for the psychology's sake, it is better to have a high win rate than a higher risk reward. But at the end of the day, it's keeping the balance profitable, and it's doing what works best for you and what works best for the psychology. But yeah, because most of them look at these guys with 90% win rate, but they're looking for negative risk rewards. I'm not taking this GU, but I'm gonna place it on paper just to see. Cause I think I'm gonna have a student looking at this. And look at this, like GU sweep of liquidity yesterday, the major one, and then could have gave us a winner overnight, but super late into the day. Let me. Mm-hmm. Because I feel like he's looking at it. Or let me know if you are in the stream, bro. Yo, Mel. Was Hope here today? I didn't see him. Yeah, I didn't see him on stream today here. At least speaking. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, man, this shit is slow. Should I fucking draw like the other motherfuckers? What did they do? They do some fucking uh, Man, they picked the fucking emojis. You guys ever seen those guys? Wait. Searching for it. Yeah, those guys kind of like. Wait, what the fuck? Oh yeah. And doing this shit. Yeah, same. I fucking knew it, man. Yeah. The magnets. That was what I was looking for as well. I don't know what the fuck that is. Ah, here. Boom. How do I rotate this shit? Oh, okay. Hey, but it's working, bro. Big hammer on that shit. This shit look degenerate as fuck, bro. But it's working, bro. Come on. Nah, but this is like back in the day where you used to look at the chart and go blowing that shit. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, Australian dollar is still hovering around that area, right? And then my fucking student, I fucking knew it. He's looking at it. I knew it. Hope was super helpful today, man. That strong motherfucker. You make him carry stuff. Man, all this drawing shit is going bad against my trade. You made him carry all the stuff, right? You pushed your bike. You guys went by bicycle or like like motorbike? It was probably like a normal bike, right? A bicycle or something. We carried the same amount. Yeah, but he built, right? I would love to show y'all the end result of this trade, but this motherfucker slow. Might sweep the highs again, heading. Motherfucker is a giant to Pakan get down after a can of beer. Damn. I mean, one of those. He supposedly had as the body to handle it, but then can't handle for shit. Yeah, sometimes happens, bro. Some people aren't built for it. He might sweep the highs again before heading down for the long close retracement. Yeah, I'd prefer the efficiency. Motherfucker will in the fire. But he can't pull some weights though. Yeah, he talking bad about him, man. Hopefully he comes here. Ay, ay, ay. Yo. Now you still Gucci. You still Gucci. You like this, right? I don't care. I'll say it to his face. Sheesh. You like that, bruh? uh, yeah, this will probably go at it again. Yeah, all of these move kind of shaky. Exactly, man. So boring. You still in, right? Your stop loss is above these highs. Um, yeah, let's see, man. This is why I wanted to be quick, man. As Friday ends, this shit is gonna be dead. Yeah, nice, nice. 12 years, goddamn. You guys, how old? How old are you guys, Vic? 22. Nice, nice. Fuck, I fucking exited this shit. Wait. Yeah, it still looks pretty good on your ES though. But yeah. Boring day, boring day. Oh shit, AU is going up. You still Gucci on that, Wick? Hasn't stopped you out? Fucking hell, man. Ah shit, going back up. Yeah, not stopped out yet. Yeah. Oh, okay. Not even that bad. This you can continue. Exactly. If it's a loss, it's a loss. It is what it is. Let's see, man. Hopefully we can get some end of the week strong. But yeah, what is your result for the week so far? What is your guys' results for the week in terms of percentages or risk to reward? Mm. And if you still haven't dropped your like, man, please do so, man. It will really help the stream. Yeah, should we call it a day, boys? We're 2 hours deep into it. Already got our trade running in profit, but I'm not finna be here to wait for it to be a stop loss or a TP because, yeah, got more to do. So yeah, have a good weekend, Wick. Thank you for that, and make sure to leave your likes if you still haven't. And right now that I'm about to head out, uh, more people deciding to hop in. Just make sure if you want more live streams to drop a like. Rewatch this back. We took this trade live, and we're gonna see how it ends up being after that. So yeah, done already. Yeah. I know. Just talking to others, but thank you for that. And yeah, appreciate the. I don't know if anyone to put a like now, but yeah. Monday we back to it, and then we're doing Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Cause then Thursday I got a flight to catch. So yeah, take it easy, boys. Let's see how this ends up, and hopefully you got some wins throughout this week, and hopefully our next week should be even better. All right, boys. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the likes, and I'll see you on the next one, boys. Peace out.